but to a Bedouin, a first-class camel really is something. It went that-a-way. A flaming something or other out of the sky. It landed in a marsh near Hamburg, right in a ditch. Careful, it could be radioactive. Or it could be part of the Sputnik rocket. That's a fashionable thing nowadays. Or it could be something even stranger. They tested for radioactivity. They dammed up the stream. Who knew what they might find? Could it have come from way out there in space? Could it be something unexplainable and rather grisly? Something with another dimension, perhaps? Some sort of space creature buried down there in the mud, waiting? Look out! I think the dog's got it. A festive occasion in